people in the room can go ahead and just start warming up. I'll get everyone on Zoom started and get attendance taken and everything like that, and we will get going. Take a look at the exercise for the right hand, the F major that we learned yesterday, where we move our middle and pinky up to F major like that. And then you can go ahead and start working on When the Saints Go Marching In as well if you would like. Okay, good morning everyone. We will get started in just a minute. Looks like people are trickling in. Good morning. We will get going in just a minute. We're missing some people on Zoom today, so we'll give them a couple minutes to get in. While we're waiting for everyone and taking attendance, go ahead and start warming up on the right hand exercises that we learned yesterday, where you're doing F major in the right hand, okay? So take a look at those videos, and I'll give you about 5 minutes to warm up, and then we will be all set for the day. And let me check what page that is on. What's going on with my set?
14, 40, 45, 45.
So if you're looking at your book, that should be page 46. Are the right hand exercises in your book. It says introducing A for the right hand. That's what you can warm up on. And then if you want to try and start looking at When the Saints Go Marching In or those other exercises on the page, that would be a great place to start. Okay, everyone, we will go ahead and take a look at our daily news for the day, and then we'll go over the itinerary for today. Okay? Give me just 1 sec to share my screen, and we will get going. Share sound. Okay, give me a thumbs up if you guys can see that. Awesome, thank you. And here we go. Well, sound isn't working in the room now. Sorry guys, 1 sec.
Hello, NC.
Sorry guys, give me 1 sec. There we go.
Colin, and here's the news you need for today. First of all, long time no see. Missed you guys a lot, but I did not forget today is November 10th, National Sesame Street Day. And in the words of the great Grover, love the fur you're in. Now on to the NC News. Seniors and juniors, there's still time to vote for class council officers. Watch and listen to all the candidates' speeches and vote for one candidate per office.
Breaking news, these papers just handed to me, Colin, the student council elections have been moved to next Monday and Tuesday, the 16th and 17th, due to unforeseen circumstances. Again, class council elections will be next Monday and Tuesday, the 16th and 17th. Back to you, Colin.
ACE Mentoring meets Wednesday after school from 3:30 to 4:15. ACE Mentoring is a club for anyone interested in architecture, construction, or engineering. New students are always welcome to join. For more info, go to the Zoom link. Join the ACE Remind by texting at 9E6C76 to 81010 or emailing Mr. Sue. Join the North Central Handbell Ringing Club in room K211 with Miss Click today from 2:45 until 3:45. See Miss Click for questions, and there's no prior handbell experience needed. Do not get a parking ticket. Get your permit today. Go to www.nchs.cc and click on the student parking permits. Complete both the forms and send to Miss Fissler. When they're ready, you'll get them from your first period teacher. Class of 2023, that's the sophomores. At the next personal project early release day, bring your evidence that you've completed your product/outcome to share with your supervisor. If you have questions or concerns, email Ms. Atgill. Finally, don't forget to make your voice heard. The vote for student council ends tonight at midnight. That's all the news today for everyone in North Central. I'm Colin. Have a great day, North Central.
Okie dokie. So, today we're going to be working on the following. We talked yesterday about introducing A on the right hand, and I just want to review some of that really quick. Let me move the video to this. Here we go. So, what we are going to be working on today is putting this on the piano, what we started working on yesterday. If you did not get the written assignment that we did yesterday in class done, please do that. That will be on the midterm. That midterms are due tonight, so please make sure that you get those 5 points in. That's a quick and easy 5 points there. If I go to the class for today, go to modules, and then, so the itinerary for today is to practice and critique when the Saints go marching in. So what I'd really like to give you guys some time on today is working through that when the Saints go marching in. But before we do that, I just want to review what we worked on yesterday, which is the new 2 notes that we have. Let me get my camera up on the keys as well. Give me one sec. Where'd it go? There it is. Sorry, computer's being a little slow. Okay. And then let me change this video to that. Okay, so what we're working on today, we know our C major chord that we've had for a while, and we know G7. So on G7, remember that our thumb goes down one key from C to B. Can everyone do that for me? Go from C to G7, and then back to C. Okay? So C, G7, back to C. That's a chord that we should all be very familiar with. Today we're going to add the F chord for the right hand, okay? So whenever you do that, you move both fingers, finger number 3 and 5, both go up. And really, all of your fingers go up with it. So everyone in the room, try that with me really quick. We're gonna go C to F to C, okay? That's the chord progression that we're working on today. Now, if you look at the top of page 47, this should look very familiar to you because we did it last week in the left hand. It goes C, 2, 3, 4, G7, 2, 3, back to C, 2, 3, 4 to F, 2, 3, 4, back to C, okay? Today we're going to do that in the right hand. Remember that we go C, G7, back to C, then to F, then to C, okay? Try that with me. Let's try that exercise. So you hit each chord 4 times until you get to that last C chord. You hold that out for 4 beats. 1, 2, here we go. C, 2, 3, 4. G7, 2, 3, 4. C, 2, 3, 4. F, 2, 3, 4. Back to C, okay? So really get this kind of ingrained in your muscle memory going from C to F, because that will be super important when we do when the Saints go marching in. So you have here it is. Okay? So it's the same exact piece, except we're switching hands, and that will be what our playing quiz is on at the end of the week this week, okay? If it's possible, I'd love to hear the people in class do when the Saints go marching in class tomorrow, and the people who come in on black days will try and do that on Thursday and Friday. Full virtual people will do that the same as normal, okay? So I'm going to split everyone at home into breakout rooms, and I'm going to ask to do a skills check on the C at the top of page 47, this little ditty right there. That's little warm up using C, G7, and F chords, the top of page 47. See if you can do that, and then you can start moving on to when the Saints go marching in, okay? We will get you guys going. Let me get you into breakout rooms at home, and then we will be all set. Okie dokie. There you go. We'll see you guys in a few minutes. Okie doke. Anyone of the 3 people that need to do the quiz ready to go? Anyone? Emily, want to go first? Awesome. Just one sec to get this set up.